Hey guys, we're looking at the Redragon one-handed gaming mechanical keyboard. And going right into it, we have the detachable wrist rest. It's held together by two magnets. You see how it clicks together here? Just snaps right into place, and even when you move it with just the wrist rest, it doesn't easily come off. But you can pull it off, and so when you go to type and game here, it's not going to move around easily. You can see you can slide your hand and it's not moving the keyboard itself. It has pads on the bottom to keep it from moving. It has 4 of them there and 1 on the wrist rest itself. Looking at the back of it, you have a removable Type-C to USB cable and an additional USB slot. So you can charge your phone, or since it's taking up a USB port, you can plug in whatever you want here. Now for the top of it, you see here you have the M1, M2, M3, and M4. These are 4 preset lightings. This is the first one, second, third, and fourth. And as I was gaming, I found it really weird and tough to get used to having the spacebar, because this is a spacebar here, having it all the way over here. Now when you're used to gaming on a regular keyboard, the spacebar is going to be right up here. But now it's down here and it just feels weird. And that was one thing that kept me from using it, because I couldn't get used to it, and it really affected me when I was trying to jump in a game or whatever. Plus, if you're not used to and don't like a loud keyboard, this is not going to be for you. I couldn't get used to it. It was distracting for me, plus distracting for others. I'm in a home that needs to be quiet, so typing with it very loud, it wasn't going to work out. I tried to love it, but I just couldn't. Overall, it's a great keyboard. I love how they designed it. For the most part, I say that, but yet I criticize the spacebar. That could have been done better. But the quality of it is great, and the fact that they have 5 different dedicated macro keys is great. Now, for me, with the way I'm gaming, I don't really use the macro keys. I wanted a one-handed keyboard to game because I game on a laptop, and it just made more sense having the screen. You can see, well, I don't have my mouse on the right side, but it just feels a lot better to set up myself that way. So I game right here, and my other hand's over there, and the screen's right in front of me. Anyway, moving on to record on here. How they have it set up is you're going to hit record, then you hit M1 through M4, whichever one, then say G2, then whatever keys you want it to work with, so 1, 2, 3, and then you hit record to lock it in. So that's how you end up doing that. Again, overall, it's a great keyboard. One thing that I should mention is that it does come with some extra keys in case you break it. It comes with 4 extra. So there you have it, guys. I would recommend it if you don't mind the loud keyboard and getting used to a spacebar over here. Also, I won't review it, but I have this other one-handed keyboard. It's a cheap one on Amazon. It seems like it's something that comes from Alibaba or something and just is rebranded, but this is the one I use. So you can see it's more a soft key. It's quieter. Anyway, I use this one. It serves the purpose. You have the space bar that's right next, like right below the CVB that you're used to. It's much more comfortable than you see over here. How you have the CVB. Normally the space bar is going to be right below here, but it's all the way down here. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you want. But anyway, any questions, let me know.